What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new publication on Substack. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Substack and you will see the first official website of Substack. After clicking on that website, on your right side, if you see this option of dashboard, that means you have previously logged in into Substack. But if you are new here, on your right side, you will see the option of signing up. Just simply sign up with your email and password. And if you are old to Substack, just simply click on dashboard and then you will be welcome to the dashboard of Substack. Now, from here, we will start the process of creating a new publication. So on your right side, click on your profile tab and then click on settings. And now, as you can see, this publications option, just simply on create another publication and then give your publication URL. This is a pre-typed URL. I can change this later. For now, I'll continue this. And if you have your mailing list, you can just simply import here and click on select file and then you can import your mailing list, but I don't have any, so I'll skip it for now. And then you can add your subscribers manually by just simply entering their email. And for now I am skipping this too, and this recommends other publishers as per your publication, and I'll skip it for now too. So as you can see, my new publication will then be created, and this is how you can also create your new publications on Substack. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.